So this is the 2020 Hyundai Veloster N Performance Package. So of course this is Hyundai's most performance-based car. You're gonna see here, you're making the 275 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque on this model. The upgraded rim with the Pirelli tires on this one for additional grip. The rear spoiler here as well as that upgraded sound system. So you get a nice little purr with that kitten. So this is the interior of the 2020 Hyundai Veloster N. You are going to have these nice bolstered seats here to help keep you in when you are hitting the corners and everything like that. You're gonna get these nice performance blue seat belts and trim kind of throughout the car. The performance blue is the specific color of the Hyundai Veloster N. You are going to have the drive mode, so you have your normal, your sport, and your eco mode, but that's not what anybody buys this one for. You're gonna have your N mode and your N custom. When you go into here, you can adjust everything. Your engine, your rev matching, electronic slip differential, and your exhaust. As well as the chassis, you can adjust the suspension, the steering, everything with this car to help get you that best performance on the track. You are going to have a nice short shifter here as well. And as soon as this clears up, we'll show you the best part of the Hyundai Veloster N. And the best part of the Veloster N, the performance. Get the nice pops with the exhaust. When traffic allows you, you can have some real fun with this vehicle. Get your nice leather wrapped steering wheel here as well for good grip when you're doing it. A real nice, easy, light clutch with a short engagement here, so it's very easy to shift throughout the gears. You get that shift indicator there in the center console as well to let you know when you need to. And it does everything they can to make this car as easy and as fun to drive as possible. Really good brakes on it as well. Of course, with that Pirelli P0 tires help grip. It's going to give you even better braking performance. If you want, you can put the pedal to the metal and get the car going very easily. Now, of course, where this place shines is going to be on a track with a lot of tight turns. Is really where you're going to notice the fun of this Veloster N. These seats keeping you gripped in there, the nice tires. So when you want to go in the corners, you stay absolutely flat. And at the end of the day, it's still a great car for an everyday driver. It's one of those nice vehicles that you could take to the track, or when you need to go to work, it's still a great one because you're going to have a nice touchscreen here, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, everything here. It's like a normal vehicle as well. Hyundai didn't want to skimp on the comfort of your daily driver. But of course, we all know why the Veloster N was created. And we're so glad that they did it. That exhaust just sounds so great. And once again, brakes. Just absolutely hugs the road. That brings us back to the dealer. We hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe on this video. If you enjoyed the Veloster N, you can always reach out for more information My name's been Jacob McKinney, and we hope to see you soon.